Hello, this is going to be a very quick video. It is going to serve as an update as well as an unboxing of the Amaze box. So I have the box for April right here, and first things first, bad news. There will be no openings for new Amaze box subscriptions this month. So that means for the month of April, only the current subscribers who were on from March and who continue to stay on will receive a box. So if you are a current subscriber from March or prior, you will be receiving your April box. You don't have to worry about not getting it. It's just that no new subscriptions will start for the month. So not opening up the Amaze box subscription to new subscribers in April means that Limelife is able to get the Amaze box out faster for everybody who's currently subscribed. And then it also helps them get out orders on things that might be essential. Like we have, obviously cleansers, soaps, hand sanitizer that's sold out. But, those orders get prioritized instead of pumping out new Amaze boxes. So hopefully you guys understand why they had to make that decision and not open up new subscriptions. As of right now, I don't have any word on whether or not May is going to open up for new subscriptions. I really hope so. But I don't know any information on that yet. So you want to stay tuned here. If you want to drop a comment down below, I will let you know any updates that I have, and let's dive into it, okay? All right, so from here on out, spoiler alert, if you have not received your Amaze box, you will still be getting it if you're a current subscriber. So avert your eyes if you don't want a total spoiler, okay? So I already know what's inside this box, but I haven't actually seen it myself, really. I opened it up, but let's get in. Okay. Wow. It's very sunny and fun. Okay, so this is your April Amaze box, and this one is, oh, that's a fun theme. Okay, here comes the sun. So hashtag here comes the sun when you get your box, okay? So April is Earth Month. It's time for you to shine. We look forward to sunny days ahead and spending time with our toes in the water when beaches open. It's the perfect time to get outside and soak in all that our planet has to offer. I completely agree. And it's also a really good time to audit your eco-friendly habits. And there's a really good list of things that you can do to be a little bit friendlier to our environment. I'm gonna jump into the box, okay? Oh, I really like the quote. Sorry. Squirrel brain, okay? Wherever you go, no matter what the weather, always bring your own sunshine, by Anthony D'Angelo. I really love all the inspirational things that they include with the Amaze box. It's a really fun way to make it more of a lifestyle box and not just skincare or makeup. Last month was very heavily makeup, so I'm excited to see skincare. Okay, all right. This is so cute. Like literally they have cute stickers with every box, and I think the sun is adorable. We have Cool Balm, which is one of my favorite things for summertime. A lot of times if you are kind of in between, if you're combination skin, you're not like really dry, you're not really oily. If you're in the middle with combo skin, I usually talk to you and work on what we think is a good fit for your routine. But usually once people get to a point where their skin is nice and balanced, Cool Balm is great for, a little bit warmer weather. So this is going to be really good going into spring and summer. It's already getting warm here and it's going to be humid in no time. So Cool Balm is the facial moisturizer that I prefer to use on warmer days or when my face is feeling a little bit more oily than usual. The other moisturizer option is Skin Therapy, which is a little bit richer. It's very soothing, but it's not something that I use on my face year round. This is something that I can use year round, and then I'll incorporate a more moisturizer during the winter months. But this is great because I use it and love it all the time, so I'm glad that I got this in my box. The other thing, oh, and by the way, this is a full-size product, so I'm super excited to see this in the box. They're normally $28, I believe, US, and that came inside the Amaze Box, which is only $38 and ships for free, so that's pretty cool. This I'm super excited about. This is our sunscreen. This is the perfect sunscreen. I actually have mine open right here. It lasts a super long time, and I use it a couple of different ways. Obviously it's a sunscreen, so if I'm gonna be out in the sun, I'm gonna put it on. But our sunscreen is a 3-in-1. I'm gonna pump some out just so you can kind of see what the consistency is. This is all I really use. This is enough for my whole face, and like I'll go down to my neck area too. It is very light, not greasy on, and it absorbs really, really quickly. What I really love about it, and the reason that it's not greasy, okay, first off, it's a sunscreen, but secondly, it's not greasy because it's a primer. It works as a primer, so it's double duty. Sunscreen primer. It's a mattifying primer, so if you're somebody that's oily or you just tend to get very shiny throughout the day and you don't want that shine, this is gonna be your best friend. This is what you want to prime your face with. It's gonna protect you from the sun, but it's gonna give you a matte finish, and it's going to fill in all the little, like, you know, the larger pores, the fine lines. I put this on and pat it in, you know, in all the areas before I put on my makeup. So that's great. And the third thing that it does, because it's 3-in-1, is that it's a moisturizer. So I still, even though I use my regular daytime moisturizer, you can use this AM and PM, by the way, I still will add on the sunscreen, even though that it's giving a little extra moisture. It's not too much. It's not greasy or anything like that. It's very, very light feeling moisture. So I really, really like this. It's something that I'll wear whether or not I have makeup on. If I'm gonna be out in the sun, I'm still going to put on my skincare and then put on my sunscreen. Why couldn't I think of the word? It's been a day, you guys. A good day, but a busy day, and my brain is fried. Okay, so we have 2 full price products in the Amaze Box already. This is $28. This is $38 alone, and the entire box itself was $38. So basically this paid for the whole box, and everything else is extra, which I love. And the box ships for free. And we have skincare samples. So sometimes they'll send mini bottles of things. Sometimes they'll send sample packets. So we have Quench Cleanse samples, as well as Dream Clean. So you can do one of 2 things. I already have our skincare and I love it, so I save sample packets from when I go on vacation. Someday when we're not all on lockdown, we will all go on vacation, and this year, dang it, we're going on all the vacations. I love to take sample packets with me when I go on vacation, just because then I don't have to worry about packing the bottles. I don't have to worry about, you know, things getting squished or leaking or exploding or anything in transit or, you know, mid-flight. This is the best way to travel for me, so I will save these and hang on to them. If you have not tried our cleanser, I mean, obviously give them a try. This is nice because it lets you know what they feel like and lets you experience and see like what the textures and the smells and everything are like. Dream Clean and Quench Cleanse are very, very different. One is creamy and the other one is kind of clear and like suds up a little bit. So this is really nice that they included those so that you can try everything out for yourself. So I'm really happy with this box. I love the theme, and I think it's a really great value since we have 2 whole full-size products. We don't have any minis in here this month. It's literally 2 full-size things that are essential and samples to try cleanser, because why not, right? Okay, so, all right, I'm gonna get going. I think that's all I have for you for the Amaze box. I really love the April box. I'm sorry that if you're a new subscriber, you can't get your box this month. Hopefully you can get it next month. I will update you guys, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye. Thanks for watching.